Hey guys, welcome back to the Easy Auto channel. Yep, I have this like a 2013 Chevy Impala. This time the windshield wiper is not working. And then when I turn the wiper play, yeah, nothing happened. But I can hear the motors turning. Yeah, something wrong there. I don't know what's going on. And like the windshield wiper, I can move it by hand, which is like for me, it means some linkage broken. Let me put it back to the, I think it's the original positions based on the dust line. Yeah, somewhere there. Yep, the reason I want to do that, once I loose up I want to like get a reference point before I loose up the nut for the wiper arm, and then remove this trim and get into the motor and the linkage to see what's wrong. I'm going to put a piece of tape and then like a mark down where I'm supposed to put back after we move the wiper arm. But I think let me do that on the another side too. But I think they have some kind, you can use this dot as an indicator windshield. So if this middle of the wiper arm is pointed to the dot, I think it's in a location. Same thing here. They have a dot right there. So if like the wiper blade is like a stop in the middle of this dot, I think it's in the location. Yeah, if I remove the arm, it looks like this. Alright, now let's pop the hood. Okay, remove the cover to expose the wiper blade nut. Oh, that's good. I can take it out by hand. How about this one? Not that one. Probably I will try, have a slot here. I'm going to use like a trim removal tool. Alright, they're 15 millimeter. Alright, let's see if I can remove the arm by hand. Nope. Put the nut back on, just a couple of threads. So I have something to grab with a plier. Here's a vice grip, so put some tape on the bottom to protect the paint on the wiper. So like, if just against all the way to the bottom, I hope that might work. We'll see. I think I got it, maybe? Oh, it works. Alright, let's take a closer look. Oh, I see. Have some spine there. That's why it's so hard to pull out. Okay. I try to do the same setup. Alright, I think I got it this time. Alright, it works. All Alright, so I got two Viper arm out. Make sure which one's which. So that's the passenger side. That is the driver side. So now I can take off the plastic thingies. Alright, let's take off this plastic piece first. Okay. We have another one here. Another one on the driver's side. Alright, now it's able to remove the weather strip. Yeah, like, yep, the weather strip's off. So probably I can remove this piece. Yes, I mean that's good enough. But make sure like I'm not pulling on the white the washer fluid hose. Yeah, one there. And then be careful like the hose right here. So we'll put everything here. It should be good. Alright, let's see what broke now. Oh, I see. This link right here. Yep, that's the problem. This one's supposed to attach to here, which is the motor. Well, should I rebuild that? Alright, let me clean up the work area first before I do anything. I don't want anything drop in there. Alright, let me get the vacuum. I'm gonna remove it. It's about, this like a 10mm bolt. So one here, and then one over there. I need to move this motor arm away. Yeah, because like I need to take the motor out and then replace the linkage. Oh, I think that's good. Alright, so pretty much I just like turn the key to the on position, and then like do a blip on the windshield wiper, and then shut off the turn off the ignition. Disconnect the connector from the motor. I got it. Okay, so for the connector, I use like a flathead screwdriver, push this piece back, and then squish this tab, and then like apply like a small amount of force between the connector and the plug, and then like do a small twist like this and pop it open. So now I can take this out. So this is the old part, that's the new one. Just put it side by side. They pretty much look alike. Well, actually look identical. So now I can take off those 10mm bolts and then transfer the motor from the old leverage arm to the new one. Alright.
Where's Shadow?
Yep. Alright, now just put everything back together, should work. Alright, the motor's on. You don't have to like tight those like bolt really tight. This is aluminum, it will crack it. Last thing is like put this cup back to the motor. and I cannot push it by hand. Hold on. It can just press in. Alright. Yeah, you can use a small peg to like gently walk around the gasket. Alright. There you go. Just double check, make sure like all the bushing there like really press in. Yeah, I don't want to it fail after like install or pop loose. That was. Back. Okay, everything's good. Let's pretty much just reverse the process. So make sure I can slide that in. Alright, that thing's in. Put the connector back. And now I can tilt over. Alright, I think everything's lined up. Clean up the bolt on the wire wheel. You have some rust, so just put like a little bit of anti-seat, just a dab. Alright, now pretty much like tighten up the bolt, should be good to go. Yeah, those bolts, same thing, you don't have to raise super tight. Alright, everything's tight. Let's try it. Make sure everything move and looks good. It looks good. It moved, nothing popped out. So alright, it's in this side. Yeah, just make sure like this part of this like rubber is tucked underneath this fender, and make sure like all the clips they're in place. I mean, like one right here. That one need to tuck underneath the windshield. So like this. Alright, so it's good. So now I can install the plug back. Alright, so install the clip. And let's put the weather strip back on. This is the driver's side. Make sure like my blade is lined up with the line I drew as a reference. Alright, it's at the mark-ish. Right here. So now I can like put the bolt back on. I grab my the wiper arm, and then like when I tighten the nut, make sure like the arm's not like moving away too much from the reference line. Yeah, it looks good. Alright, it lined up with the reference line I drew before. So I'm go ahead tie down the nut. Oh, don't forget the cap for the wiper nut. All right. Yeah, don't forget remove the tape. Alright, it works and not. Alright, the wiper's still inside the windshield, so I believe I installed the wiper arm in the correct location. That's it. The link is good now. The only thing left is rebuild the old one as a spare. I'll probably have another video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. Maybe share with the video to someone who have the Gen 9 Chevy Impala. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Thank you for all the support. Bye bye.